What's going on, family? I am in New York. I'm in Brooklyn, right? And we are off of 4th Ave, right? Yeah, we're off of 4th Ave, and I'm at the Tahini Mediterranean Grill. And I'm about to eat my falafel platter, man. It was $11.45, but I got plenty, and I was very satisfied with the portion that I had, or that I have, and now let's see how satisfied I am with the taste. So let's put that. Oh, look at that, y'all. We got some baba ganoush. Baba ganoush. Got some baba ganoush right there. Pickles right here. I got them pickles right there. Oh, that was a struggle. Got some tahini sauce right here. Did you want some? Oh, you got a lot of sandwich, yo. I got the tahini sauce right there. Baba ganoush, tahini. I got the pickles. Falafel. Oh, they could have kept the rice. I didn't want no rice. I just wanted the veggies. The only thing I'm missing is a fork. Huh? Oh, I got one. I got a fork. We're gonna dig in, y'all. I got some rice here too, but I don't eat the rice because I'm a diabetic and I don't want to eat too much starch. And I always want to leave room in case I wanted some desserts. Here it is, y'all. You know I'm gonna pick these out with my finger. Here's the falafel, man. These are good falafel. Nice and hot. Is it the best falafel I've had? I'm gonna say no. But it is really good. Would I buy it again? I'm gonna say yes. Put some baba ganoush on it. I am satisfied with the falafel. Let's taste the veggies. I started to say you can't go wrong with veggies, but you can if the veggies aren't fresh. The veggies are very fresh. Onions, tomatoes, lettuce, cucumber. This is normally what I used to eat when I was vegan. I ate a lot of falafel. This is really good. Oh, you want some? Zoe wants some falafel, y'all. Zoe wants some. You gotta stick your hand over. We want to see your hand. You just want one? What the heck? Let's check out the bread. It wasn't warm, so. You know how some people have to have bread? Oh, I could have opened it up and put my falafels in there. See that? It's like a little pocket. Let me do that. I'm gonna have to break the falafel in half though. I'm gonna make a falafel sandwich with it. I'm gonna get that in there like that. Put some veggies in there. Like that. Okay, I'm making a little falafel sandwich right now. Oh yeah, I put some rice in it. I don't want the rice. You like the rice? You want the rice?
When you're done.
Did you get the sauce yet? You want some more baba ganoush? Give me your fork. Did you use your fork yet?
No, I didn't get one because I had a sandwich. I'll get it later.
I'll get it later. All right, let me just pour some out on my sandwich. There you go. Okay, baba ganoush, just so you know, is eggplant. Yeah, it's eggplant. I'm not a big bread lover, but the bread is really good. Everything is really fresh. I am so satisfied with this lunch. We over here in Brooklyn on 4th Ave and Lincoln Place. Zoe's meal and my meal came out to $23.35. You cannot beat that. We didn't pay yet, but when they turn their head, we're gonna sneak out the front door. No, we paid. Y'all know I wouldn't do that. Not today. Do you want more of this or you good? I ain't gonna double dip on it. It's really good. I'm gonna sign off now, guys. If you ever off of 4th Ave in Lincoln, stop by. We're about, just to give you, we're almost a mile, not even a mile from the Barclays Center. And where else? We're from Atlantic Ave. We're not far from Atlantic Ave. This is Matt DV. I'm definitely gonna have some leftovers because y'all know I got a small stomach. Matt DV signing off from this location. I'll see you at the next. Peace.